to another crazy video. Today I have recorded a ride called Black Blizzard made by Dio, and I can't say how crazy this is. It is top 10 tier with I think one of my favorite roller coasters, creational wise, I have seen in theme park Tycoon 2. From the amount of creativity that he put in this ride, from like the Egyptian type thing with the rock structures, the supports, to the station, everything on this ride is crazy and it's phenomenal. I can't explain how crazy this is. I just need you guys to watch this video and tell me what you think, because I don't have much words to say about this. However, this ride is a spinning launch coaster. I'm not sure about the height. I mean, it's theme park Tycoon 2. Not sure how long it took them to build this. However, this is one of the best rides I've seen creational wise in theme park. And yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. Consider subscribing, because I will be doing more of this in the future as well. And subscribe if you also like theme park Tycoon 2 and want to watch like a creator such as myself to create these videos for y'all, and hopefully in the future I get to not only record theme park but also other stuff as well relating to real life theme parks. But anyway, I really hope you guys like this video. I surely did, and I will see you in the next one.